Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to separate a Facebook business page from a personal account. Sometimes you may want to separate your Facebook business page from your personal account, especially if you manage multiple accounts or want to give access to someone else. By assigning page roles and then removing your personal account, you can manage your business page independently. Here's how you can do it on your computer. First, open Facebook in your web browser on your computer and make sure you are logged in. Now, click on your profile icon from the top right corner and select your business page. Then click on the profile icon from the top right corner again. Here, click on Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Now, scroll down the left dashboard and click on Page Setup, then click on Page Access. Here, under People with Task Access, click on Add New. Now click on Next. Here, search for the account you want to give access to, for example, another Facebook account you manage, and click on it. Then turn on the toggles for content, messages and calls, community activity ads, and insights, depending on the access you want to give. After that, click on Give Access. Now enter your Facebook password and click on Confirm. You will receive a code in your email. Now, open Gmail in a new tab, copy the code from the email. Then, go back to Facebook and paste it, and click on Continue. Now you will see that the person with task access has been added. Next, go to your other account and click on your username from the top left corner to check it. Now go back to the home page and click on the notifications icon from the top right corner. Here, click on the notification to join the invited link. Then click on Review Invitation, click Next, and then click Accept. You will now see that the invitation has been accepted. Now go to the page, scroll down the left dashboard, and click on Page Setup. Click on Page Access, then click on the three dots next to your first account. Here, click on Remove Access. This will fully separate your personal account from the business page while keeping your other account as the page admin. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.